The Lijiang River in South China's Guangxi Autonomous Region, where clean water flows between the scenic Karst Mountains, has been hailed as one of the most beautiful rivers on Earth. For many tourists, it is a great place for bamboo rafting. In recent years, the promotion of an eco-friendly raft has greatly improved local environment and bettered tourist experiences.
这是我们漓江上的采用这个纯电力推进的新设计改造的一个游览排筏。除了我们的这个筏体之外啊，我们新增设了这个2块锂电池加这控制系统以及那个动力总成构成的这么一个纯电力推动的游览排筏。
Prior to these green efforts, the Lijiang River had more than 1,200 rafts operated with traditional combustion engines, which used to create a noise of around 90 decibels.
我们跟游客介绍那个沿途景点的话，声音太大了。我们跟游客交流的话，他听不到我说话，我也听不到他说话。我们喊哑了，他就说大声一点，说大声一点。所以说我们也很累。
我们这个游览排筏改为纯电力推动之后，噪音从80-90分贝降到了60分贝，不仅仅是让游客有了更好的游览体验感，也同时对漓江的生态周边的生物他们的生存环境减少了干扰。